Hello aspirants. So the first thing is the syllabus. Now we are going to discuss the Assam Forest Rangers syllabus. Here a total of 4 paper is going to come. First paper comprises of your English paper which holds 100 mark is of 3 hours. Second paper is of general knowledge which is again of 100 marks and which is held within 2 hours. Third paper is your first optional, whichever you have chosen, which is of 200 marks. Now here there is an increase in the number of marks, which again comprises of 2 hours, but also it is an objective type of question. Fourth paper is second optional, which you have chosen, which is of 200 marks and it consists within 2 hours. Now, first paper, that is English, is subjective type of question. That means that a essay ahibo, precise writing, grammar ahibo, teneko type of questions ahibo. Whereas the rest 3 paper holds your objective type of question. After the written exam, there will be again a few more steps that will be conducted. First is the walking test, where a male candidate will have to walk for 25 kilometers in 4 hours, whereas a female has to walk for 16 kilometers in 4 hours. So that is the target. The next part is the medical examination. So a proper medical examination which will be held, which happens in every APC exam. So that is the normal procedure. And lastly, the interview held. Now the first paper, that is the English paper. Here the topics which are to be covered are essay writing, precise writing, reading comprehension, grammar and uses, vocab, sentence correction, later or the report writing. So these are the topics that are going to be covered in the first paper. Now this paper is basically a subjective type of question, so you need to be very careful. Up till class 10, if you revise, that will be more than enough. The next paper is the general knowledge. So here, Indian history, Indian polity and constitution, Indian economy, geography, Assam history and geography, environment and ecology, biodiversity and wildlife, general knowledge, general science, current affairs, disaster management, logical reasoning and basic aptitude. So basically this paper comprises all your general knowledge part. It will be a mix and match of everything. So you need to be very careful. So the rest 2 paper comprises of the optionals which you have opted. Now, if you like the video, kindly subscribe it, and definitely if you have any queries, just put a comment below down. With this, I like to conclude the video. Best of luck for your upcoming exam.